Rectangle ABCD is similar to rectangle EFGH. The area of rectangle ABCD is 648 square inches and the area of rectangle EFGH is 72 square inches. The length of the longest side of rectangle ABCD is 36 inches. What is the length in inches of the longest side of rectangle EFGH? Here we have two rectangles ABCD and EFGH. These two rectangles are similar. And we have the areas of both the rectangles and also we have the length of the longest side of the rectangle ABCD, that is 36 inches. Using this information, we have to find the length of the longest side of the rectangle EFGH. Okay, let's find the ratio of the areas of two given rectangles. Let me write it. That is the area of rectangle ABCD over area of rectangle EFGH. That is equal to the area of rectangle ABCD is 648 square inches and the area of rectangle EFGH is 72. Okay, when I simplify this ratio, I am getting 9 over 1. Whenever we have the ratio of the areas of two similar rectangles, from which we will be able to get the ratio of the dimensions of the two rectangles. I mean the ratio of the lengths of the longer sides of the two rectangles. Here this is a ratio of the areas of two similar rectangles. Now let's find the ratio of the lengths of the longest sides of the two rectangles ABCD and EFGH. Let me write it. So the longest side of the rectangle ABCD over the longest side of the rectangle EFGH. We know that the area is in square units. Since this is a ratio of the areas of two rectangles, the quantities we have over here are in square units and the dimensions of the rectangles will be in linear units. Now we have to convert these square units to linear units to get the ratio of the lengths of the longest side of the two rectangles. To convert these square units to linear units, we have to take square root of this 9 and square root of this 1. Then we get square root of 9 over square root of 1. That is equal to square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 1 is 1. Here I got the ratio of the lengths of the longer sides of the two rectangles. From the terms of the ratio, to get the length of the longest side of the rectangle ABCD and to get the length of the longest side of the rectangle EFGH, we have to multiply the terms of the ratio by the same non-zero number, say k. When I multiply this 3 by k, I am getting 3k. When I multiply this 1 by k, I am getting just k. This 3k represents the length of the longest side of the rectangle ABCD and this k represents the length of the longest side of the rectangle EFGH. Already we have the length of the longest side of the rectangle ABCD, that is 36 inches. So now we can equate this 3k and this 36. Then we get 3k equals to 36. Now to solve for k in this equation, we have to divide both sides of the equation by 3. Then I am getting k equals to 12. Okay, here we know that this k represents the length of the longest side of the rectangle EFGH and we got the value of k equals to 12. Therefore, the length of the longest side of the rectangle EFGH is 12 inches. We find 12 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.